assessment, page 158. Look at with me about question number 1. If x plus 2 equal 5, then 5x will be what? We can find the value of a known number, the variable here x. We can find the value of x here. Who can tell me x plus 2 equal 5, then x equals 3, because 3 plus 2 equal 5. Then 5x, it's meaning 5 multiplication by the value of x here, x will be equal 3. Then 5x, it's meaning 5 multiplication by 3, it will be what? It will be 15. Choose letter C. Number 2. If 2m equal 12, then m will be equal what? 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Then m equals 6. Question number 3. All of the following are solutions of inequality x greater than negative 2, except what? We can find the set of solution about this example in integers greater than negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So all of the following are solutions of inequality x greater than negative 2, except what? Except letter what? Letter P, negative 3, not greater than negative 2. Choose letter what? Letter P. Question 4. Muhammad has 47 Gypsy lira. His friend Minna has less more than Muhammad. Then Minna has what? Lira, Gypsy lira. Which number here less than 47? X less than 47. We can find this equality from the solution. Which number less than 47? 19. Letter D. Choose letter D about this question. Number 5. Which of the following is not solution of n is greater than or equal to 2 and 1 over 4? Which of the following is not a solution? We can find the solution about this example. N will be equal all numbers greater than 2 and 4. It will be 3 and 4 and 5 and so on. You can find the result in the integers, set of integers, or in the rational number. You want to find what? Which of the following not solution? Not solution, it will be negative. You must choose letter C, negative 2, because negative 2 is not greater than or equal to 2 and 1 over 4. Then you can write here negative 2. Choose letter C about this example. Question number 6. The equations that represent opposite figure, we have here x plus x equal to x, and we have by right hand side 6. Then the equation will be 2x equals 6. 2x equals 6. Choose letter P about question number 6. We can write 2x equal 6. Question number 7. If y over 3 equals 7, then y equal space 3 times 7, it will be 21. Choose letter C. We called here y is a dividend and 3 divisor. The dividend equal the divisor multiplication by the quotient. Y equal 3 times 7 equal 21. Question number 2. Complete of the following. Number 1. The smallest solution of inequality K is greater than or equal to negative 4. The smallest solution here will be negative 4. You can write the solution by using the set of integers here, negative 4, negative 3, and so on. Then the result here will be negative 4. You won't find the smallest solution of inequality here, it will be negative 4. Question number 2. If m minus 4 equals 6, then m equal what? M minus 4 equal 6. We want to find here the median. The median m equal subtrahend plus the difference between two numbers. Then m will be 4 plus 6, and then m it will be equal 10. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Question number 3. The inequalities that are present by the opposite number line here, who can tell me? We have here number line. You can write the inequality about question number 3. We have number line here, the solution beginning by 1 and going to left hand side negative 2. We have here 1 0 negative 1 negative 2. Then x will be less than or equal to 1. You can write this inequality, or you can write x less than 2. You can write x less than or equal to 1 or x less than 2. It refers to the inequality of the number line here. About question number 4, the equations that represent here opposite models. We have here how many x? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 3x, and we have here 9. 3x equal 9. About question number 4, we can write the equality or the equation. You can write the equation here. We can write the equation. Equation contain of two expressions, and we write this sign equal to between left hand side and right hand side. This expression will be what? 3x, and this expression it will be what? It will be 9. You want to find what? The equations that represent the opposite model. Question number 5. If 3 over 4 x equal 3 over 4, then you won't find what? You want to find 2x. 2x equal space, we can find x here. We know 3 over 4 multiplication by 1 equal 3 over 4. Then 2x equal what? 2x, it's meaning 2 multiplications the value of x. We get the value of x here equal 1. Then 2 times 1, it will be equal 2. Okay? We used here 3 over 4 times 1 equals 3 over 4. Used properties about multiplication. One is additive identity or multiplicative identity. One is a multiplicative identity, but 0 is additive identity, and one we called it what? Multiplicative identity. We used here multiplicative identity. 3 over 4 times 1 equals 3 over 4, then x here equal 1. Then 2x, it's meaning 2 multiplications the value of x. 2 times 1 equal 2. Question number 6. If 7x equals 0, then 100x equals 0, because 7x, it's meaning 7 multiplication by x equals 0. Then x will be what? Equals 0. So 100x, it will be 100 times 0, it will be equal 0. Okay. Question number 7. Marwan read at least 5 boxes. Then Marwan maybe read how many? Marwan maybe what? Who can tell me? Marwan maybe read 6 or 7 or any number. Okay, again Marwan read at least 5 boxes. Then Marwan maybe read what? We can write this number by using inequality. Marwan reading what? The number of boxes. I will write here x. It refers to the number of boxes Marwan was read. Marwan read at least 5. Then x will be what? Greater than 5. X is greater than 5, it will be 6. You can write 6 is the solution, or 7 or 8, because he tell us maybe Marwan read at least 5 boxes. Then Marwan maybe read what? Maybe 6 boxes. Question number 8. Space is the solution of the inequality m less than negative 6. Who can tell me the solution? Can write the solution here by using set of integers, yeah, n less than negative 6, we can write negative 7, negative 8, negative 9 to negative infinity. Then you can write about question 8, you can write negative 7 or negative 8 or negative 9, negative 10 as you like. Okay. Question number 3, choose the correct answer. A number if added to 7, the sum is 13. Then a number is what? We know 6 plus 7 equals 13. Then the number here will be 6. You can write the equation, the unknown number x plus 7 will be equal 13, then x will be equal 6. Okay, understood? Question number 2. Look at with me about question number 2. Here's the sign shows the speed limit for a reed in kilometers per hour. Which of the following speeds acceptable to drive on the reed? We have here 90 kilometer per hour. Speed limit 90 kilometer. Who can tell me the result here? You want to find what? Limited reed kilometer per hour. Which of the following speeds kilometer drive on the reed? We have here in the table, this look up here, we have here 80 kilometer per hour. Then we must choose letter D. Again, the sign, we have the sign here shows the speed limit for a road in a kilometers per hour. Which of the following speeds acceptable here, it's equality what? 80. We have here in the sign 80. This word acceptable to drive on the road. What is the acceptable kilometer per hour? 80. The speed limit 80 kilometer per hour. You must choose letter D. Okay, this word here acceptable to drive on the road. What is acceptable? What about which of the following speeds is acceptable to drive on the road here? 80 kilometer per hour. You must driving the car by this speed 80 kilometer per hour. 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, its speed we called it what? Acceptable. Speed is acceptable. Question number 3. If 8y equals 16, then you want to find what? Half of y. You know 8y equals 16, it's meaning 8 times y equals 16. Then y will be equal 2 because y times 2 equals 16. And then half of y, it's meaning half of the value of y. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Then half y will be what? Will be 1. Choose letter A. Question number 4. Which of the following is the solution of inequality x greater than or equal to negative 5? You can find the solution, set of solution integers. It will be negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, and so on to negative infinity. Who can tell me the solution here? We have negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, and so on. Then the solution here, negative 5. Choose letter A about question number 4. Question number 5, which are 3 possible solutions for the equality x greater than or y? We have here y greater than 12. Who can tell me? We can write 13 and 14 and 15 and so on. Okay, then the result we can write 13 and 17 and 22 about question number 5. Choose letter C. Okay, the result will be letter C. Question number 6. We have here x plus 4.5 equal 5.7. Then x will be equal what? We can find the unknown variable here to find the difference between two numbers 5.7 and 4.5. 5. Then x will be what? 7 minus 5 equal 2 and 5 minus 4 equal 1. The result will be 1.2. Question number 7. A number is no more than 10. Can be written what? No more than. No more than, it's meaning x less than 10 or n less than 10. Choose letter B about question number 7. We can write here unknown n or x as you like. So you must choose letter B about question number 7. Question number 4. Look at with me about question number 4 here. Answer the following questions. Islam needs 300 Egyptian lira to pay panties. He doesn't have enough money. Find 3 possible amounts of money Islam has. Islam needs 300 lira to pay panties. He doesn't have enough money. You can find any number less than 300 lira, such that what? 290 Egyptian lira. Or you can write what? 200 Egyptian lira. Any number less than 300 Egyptian lira, or you can write 150 Egyptian lira. Okay. Question number 2. Solve each of the following equations. Okay, who can solve this equation with me? Question number 2. We have 5t equal 20. It's meaning what? 5 multiplication unknown number equal 20. Then t equal 20 divided by 5. Then t will be 4. Okay, letter P. We have here 7 plus z equal 17.8. We can find the unknown here by finding the difference between two numbers. It will be 17.8 subtract by 7. Then z will be 10.8. 10.8. Okay. Question number 3. Name 3 solutions of each inequality, then graph the inequality number line solution. Letter A. We have here letter A. I or t is greater than or equal to -1. We can find the solution here. It will be what? -1 and -2 and -3 and so on. You can write any solution as you like. Any numbers, take the numbers, can write in the number line here. We have -1, -2, -3. All numbers are greater than -1. We have 0, 1, 2, and here -1, -2. You want to find what? T is greater than or equal to -1. It will be what? Moved less than. Okay, this number t is greater than -2 will -1. It will be -1 and 0, 1, 2, 3. We can beginning here from -1 to right hand side. But if you write t less than or equal to -1, you must write -1, -2, -3, and so on. So the sign reverse to greater than or equal to -1 will be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Understood? Then here about question number 4, we have question number 3 will be the result. Okay, and m less than 3. We have here question number 3, m less than 3. Again, m less than 3. You can find set of solution. It will be 2, 1, 0, -1, and so on. Then m will be 2, 1, and 0 or any number less than 3. Okay, you can write the solution in the number line. Draw the number line here and write 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. We can begin the solution from what? From 2, 1 0 to infinity 2 1 0 negative 1 negative 2 set of integers number 2 will be 2 1 0 negative 1 negative 2 to negative infinity. Question number 4. The sign shows the sale price of some clothing on the sale rack. Use the sign to determine any price you might accept to pay for an item for this rack. We have here sale at 99 lira. 99 Egyptian lira. You can use what? Determine the price. We can write what about the solution? Any number less than or equal to 99 or greater than. You can use determined here the sale. Sale here to 99 Egyptian lira. So you can pay it what? Anything with 100 Egyptian lira or anything with 99 Egyptian lira or anything the price of it will be 150 Egyptian lira because it's a price discount in the shop. Okay, we have the sign choose the sale prices of some clothing. Sale rack. Okay, it's sale. You can pay it anything. The price of it 100 Egyptian lira, 99 Egyptian lira, 150 lira because we have discount in this clothing sale rack. Okay.